Toronto Tower, good afternoon, National Cargo 884 Heavy, ILS 24 right, or 24 left.
National Cargo 884 Heavy Tower, hello, winds 340 at 10, clear to land, runway 24 left.
24 left, clear to land, National Cargo 884. National Cargo 84, I just want to confirm if we can cross runway or you want to full throat.
National Cargo 884, cross 24 and contact ground 129ers, yeah.
Hey, cross 24 right and ground point 9 National Cargo 84.
National Cargo 884 Echo Bravo, apron 12227.